Okay, does anything look wrong with this code? And what do you think the output's going to be? Well, if we run it, you might have thought we were going to get an individual list of Tom printed out 3 separate times, but there's a mistake that we made here. What's happening behind the scenes is that Python is actually creating an address in memory for this. So even though we're calling the function different times, which you would expect it to reset, we're not actually creating an empty list. Once that memory and address is created, then we are referencing that each time we call the function. And since it's not a temporary variable and it's actually somewhere in memory, every time we append, we're appending to that spot in memory. Then when we print out the results of it, we're printing out the results stored in that location. And we can see here that the default argument is mutable, meaning that it can be changed, which will cause unexpected behavior. Now, the correct way to write this would actually be to define Arthur as none. Then we check if it's none. If it is none, then create an empty list, which at that point, it does give us the individual list of Tom, printing it out 3 separate times. So be careful when you're defining your parameters. Either define them as a default value as none or 0 or something that's default, but do not assign it as something mutable.